Look, we're outside. Look how strong the wind is. It's like 30-mile-an-hour wind. 30-mile-an-hour. Show us that wind dance. Look at the trees. You can see our wind tracks going crazy. Watch this ball. Woohoo!
I'm good.
Look at, crazy. Crazy. There it goes. Dang! Dang!
It's going to fly away.
Dang! Scored a point. Scored a point. Watch this ball. Watch this ball.
You can get the extra point. Let's go take it.
I tried to get you guys some real wind out here. It doesn't look as windy on film though, but it's like 25, dang, it's like 25-mile-an-hour winds out here. It was craziness. So we're still out here playing kickball. Still. Mm-hmm.
That was the worst kick I've ever seen.
See that block?
Oh, you get the extra point.
So you get the extra point.
I do.
Okay. There's my ladder axe. He lost his shoe! Look, he lost his shoe! There it is! He lost his shoe! Where's the ball at? There it is.
Get the extra point.
There's the extra point.
Extra point. Extra point.
Extra. It's cold, it's windy out. Still coming outside to play.
I don't even have to put it up.
He doesn't even have his hood up. Ooh, good.